made it specifically for us. It didn't look like a general one because the way she took it through. It's very apt for us.
We need to start thinking, differently. So that will be one of the important takeaways.
Very meaningful workshop, or a very long and productive workshop.
So nicely threaded, as I said, how we should start and how should we end. So that's very beautifully brought in. Nice time to think.
Force us to put some percentages of saving. I think so we'll have to start thinking in those directions to achieve it.
We charted out a plan, we had a goal, and now we have charted out a plan to how to achieve the goal.
There are several outcomes, takeaways was been.
It is actually very good. Very well explained.
It kept everybody occupied very well, no? That's an amazing thing.
We can see a lot of savings.
So the way the program has been conducted, it was really well, saying how the priorities has to be set, how the roadmap has to be taken, and this is how we need to think upon. So basically a revival of all thoughts.
Very detailed manner. So explained it very well.
After the end of this workshop, during the entire workshop, whatever we discussed, we all are very much inspired and very much optimistic.
Absolutely great. It's one of the cost-effective procedure and process we are going to start and initiate.
And it was an amazing session.
Thanks, Sangeeta. You put it well together, like Ramya said. It's been stitched together very well, morning to evening.
Thank you.